Good morning, my dear children. Once again, we are back in our SST class. Okay, so yesterday I have finished up in my last session the lesson 2 of history, and I have sent you out the whatever required exercises and question answers are there. Okay, today we will start next chapter of geography, which is included in your first unit test, and the chapter is chapter 3, the motions of the earth. Okay, so chapter 2 is too long and it would be hard for you to go through the whole lesson, so I have selected lesson 3, which is quite interesting as well as easy to remember. Okay, so let's start the lesson. So motions means movements of the earth. Okay, so we learned in the previous chapter that the earth spins on its own axis means the line on which the earth is moving, and that is the orbit, and the point on which earth is rotating. The point, for suppose, um, let's take an example. This is earth and it is moving like this. So this is the point where it is rotating in its own place, right? So this is the spin. এই গোল গোল ঘোরাটাকে বলা হয় স্পিন, ঠিক আছে? So it is spinning on its own axis in a single point. That point is called axis. So at the same time, it also moves around the sun. And similarly, rotating like this, it is also moving around the sun. If this is the sun, then the earth is moving like this. These two movements are called rotation and revolution. So rotation is spinning in its own place, and revolution means when it is moving around something. Okay, so what is rotation and how much time does a rotation takes? The spinning of the earth on its own axis from west to east. You know pretty well, if this is the sun in front of you, then this is north, that is west, sorry, let me say like that, west, east, that is east, west, south, north. Once again, east, west, south, north. Clear? So it is moving from west to east. That means in this movement it is going এইভাবে ঘুরছে, এরমভাবে ঘুরছে না, কিন্তু এরমভাবে ঘুরছে. It is starting from back and it is revolving like this. এরমভাবে ঘুরছে, এরমভাবে ওয়েস্ট থেকে ইস্ট সাইডে. So the earth takes 24 hours or 1 earth day to complete one rotation. মানে this is one rotation, it is taking 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. Okay, it results, and because of this rotation, day and night occurs. How? For suppose this is the sun and the earth is rotating like this. Now just notice, this is a part of the earth, this is a part of earth, this is a part of the earth, and this is a part of the earth. This is earth, now this is sun. Sun is not moving, it is fixed. So the moment earth is rotating, and the part which is coming in front of the sun, that is having day, and this part is covered, the opposite face of the sun, so this is night. Clear? So this is day, this is night. So how the night and days are taking place? The part of the earth which is facing the sun is day, and the part of the earth which is opposite than the part of the earth facing the sun is night. Clear? So some of the main result of rotation are the occurrence of day and night, the apparent rising and setting of celestial bodies. Celestial bodies, the planets, then stars, which sometimes we see in the sky, and sometimes we cannot see, because when the side of the earth is facing the sun, then that particular side is having enormous light, and so the celestial bodies are still present, but we cannot see because of the light of the high light of the sun. Okay, their apparent westward movement across the sky, and as well as how they are moving from which direction to which direction, that also we cannot follow, because sun's light is there. Sun's light is the maximum amount of force of light which covers up all the sides and movements of other celestial bodies. So now comes revolution. This much is clear, I think. Rotation. Okay, one more thing is there, circle of illumination. What is circle of illumination? During the course of rotation, the side of the earth that faces the sun experiences day, and the other side faces night. The two sides are separated by an imaginary line. देखो अर्थ तो अर्थ के আমরা মাঝখান থেকে ভাগ করে নিচ্ছি because of our understanding, so that we can easily understand. That is an imaginary line. Actually, there is no line like that. So, imaginary line which is created vertically, if you follow the globe, you will see the line, straight line is there. That straight line on which the earth is rotating, that is called circle of illumination. What is that? Circle of illumination. Clear? Okay. Now comes revolution. Now revolution means when you are moving, by rotating, you are moving around the sun. Because of this, first we need to know how much time does it take. It takes 364 plus 1/4 of the year. That makes 365. Calculation of how come it is becoming 365, আমি তোমাদের বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছি। দেখো, if one circle is divided into 4 parts, understand it very clearly. For suppose, let me show you. Listen, this is the circle. This is the circle. If we divide the circle into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now every one part is coming or covered up by earth in its revolution. One part is covered. This is 1 year. This is 1 year. Again, the next part is covered in another 1 year. That is the second year. Again, third part is covered in third year. And fourth part is covered in the fourth year. You see? First year, second year, third year, fourth year. তাহলে কি হচ্ছে, একটা পুরো সার্কেল কভার করতে আমার লাগছে 4 years. Every after 4 year we are having one leap year, where February is 1 day more. এবার বোঝা গেল, একটা সার্কেল একটা রেভলিউশন কমপ্লিট করছে 365 days, by 1/4. এই দেখো 365, there is a misprint in your book. This is written 356. It will be 65. So make the correction. Okay, 365 1/4 day. ঠিক আছে, 1/4 মানে one part of the fourth part. One part of the fourth part. The second part is covered in second year. Third part is covered in third year. And finally, the full circle covers in fourth year. So fourth year when we are completing, we are getting 366 days. And that is the reason why every after 4 years we are having one leap year. I hope the matter is clear to you. Even if you have any doubt regarding this calculation, let me know. I will explain this once again. Okay? So, you see, the same thing is written in the book. This constitutes a year. The 1/4 day is added up and added to every fourth year to the month of the February. প্রত্যেক বছর in the month of February, every after 4 years, this extra date is added in February. Why? Because February is already having 2 days less. So that's why to make the balance equal, to keep the balance, it is required to add the 1 day in that month which can be added and which will not create any difference or problem. So, leap year have 366 days with February 29 days. Matter is sorted out, I think? Okay. Now, seasons, solstice and equinox. Seasons, you know how the seasons are taking place? Because of earth is not like this, straight. Earth is bent. এরকম করে ঘোরে earth. মানে এটা যদি earth হয়, এটা straight তো? এটা এই আছে। এরকম করে ঘুরছে। এটা tilted. This is the tilted motion, tilted form, and that is straight. This is tilted, this is straight. Okay? So, because of the tilt of the earth axis, different part of the earth face the sun during the course of the year. Naturally, এরকম করে যখন ঘুরবে, when it is moving like that, sun is over here. So, different parts are facing the sun. Different parts. This is also, that is also. Some less, some more. This causes season. The part where sun's light is falling less is having winter. The part where sun's light is falling in the maximum amount is facing the hot. And some part where sun's rays are falling slantly, বেঁকে পড়ছে, সেখানে গরম কম, খুব কম না. It is less hot, less cold, moderate. Okay. The 4 main seasons, you know what are they? Summer, winter, autumn, spring. Shall we repeat once again? Summer, winter, autumn, spring. Last time, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Okay, very good. In the course of year, sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Now you see, my dear, here is a picture given in your book. Here Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn is mentioned. Then also, I will forward the picture once again with the class. Okay. Now, these days are known as solstice and equinox respectively. When the rays of the sun directly falls on Tropic of Cancer, that is called solstice. And when the rays of the sun directly fall on Tropic of Capricorn, that is called equinox. In the whole year, we are having one solstice and one equinox. You see in page number 114, you are having the picture also. And you need to practice this picture. Okay, practice this picture very much. This can come in your exam. So here ends your lesson. This is all. What is the course of geography for your first unit test? Lesson 1 and lesson 3. Lesson 1 was all about the earth and the solar system. And the third lesson is the motions of the earth. I hope the class is quite understandable. Even if you have any doubt, please ping me or let me know. Send a message. I'll take the class once again. Okay, my dear? So please go through the lesson very minutely and get well prepared for your forthcoming exams. Till then, bye bye.